Want to know how to lock courses in Skool? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily while also explaining some important things you need to know before locking your courses. If you're looking to get the most out of Skool, you'll want to watch until the end. I'll also reveal a competitor that might just suit your needs better. First up, locking courses in Skool is incredibly simple, but there's a catch. When you lock courses, you essentially control who can access specific content. This is helpful if you're offering premium content or want to make sure only paying members can access certain lessons. So, how do you do it? The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Skool admin settings. Once you're in the admin area, find the course you want to lock. It's pretty straightforward. Just select the course and you'll be able to toggle the lock option on and off. This is your basic setup to control course visibility. Next, make sure you're familiar with the different visibility settings. Skool lets you lock courses for specific groups or for all members. You'll want to decide who exactly gets access. Whether you're working with a small group or a wider audience, this flexibility is key. This setting is particularly useful if you're using Skool to manage different tiers of memberships or products. Now, here's something important. Locking courses isn't just about hiding content. You can also create progressions so that people have to go through a certain set of lessons before they can unlock the next course. This helps maintain engagement and ensures that people don't skip important material. The fourth thing to know is about timing. You can set specific dates or intervals for when your courses will be unlocked. This is useful for drip feeding content, especially if you're running a course over several weeks. Instead of opening everything all at once, you can control when your members get access to new lessons, keeping them engaged over time. But now, let's talk about alternatives. While Skool's course locking is good for many use cases, it's not always the best fit for everyone, especially if you're looking for more advanced features or a greater variety of content delivery options. If you need more control, better integrations, or simply a more intuitive interface, there are other platforms worth considering. For example, Thinkific and Teachable both offer robust course locking features with additional benefits. These platforms offer more granular control over pricing, memberships, and automations. Thinkific's ability to create multi-level memberships and access tiers makes it a strong alternative if Skool doesn't cut it for your business model. But here's the real kicker. Through our exclusive link, you can get an extended free trial of Skool that's not available to anyone else. This is your chance to test out Skool with all the locking features and more before deciding if it's the right platform for you. However, if you find that Skool doesn't quite meet your needs, don't worry. I've got alternatives that are better suited for what you're trying to accomplish. These platforms come with their own free trials, and I'll walk you through all the benefits they offer. So, whether you stick with Skool or explore some alternatives, make sure to grab the best free trial and exclusive benefits that come with using our link. Check the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links for the best free trials available.